Hello guys. I have made a video before about industry rotation, and a lot of my subscribers, a lot of viewers, they send me private emails asking me for more information about this idea of industry rotation. This idea or this secret that I want to tell you, I found it like many years ago. So and this is how I make money in the market. Making the money in the market, you should follow industries. Now, in order to understand this idea of industries, you should understand who moves the market. Okay? If you have, for example, $10,000, $20,000, you can manipulate a small stock. Like, for example, a stock is 10 cents or 5 cents or 1 cent or $1, and the volume is very low, like it's 30,000 or 10,000. You can find even 4,000. If you go to this stock, which is a penny stock, a very small stock, and you put all your money, $10,000, you should see a spike, a very green thing, and it goes from $1, it can go to $1.50 or $2. Okay? This because you manipulate the stock because it is so thin. Okay? And this is what the scammers and the people who are doing penny stocks are doing. Okay? They buy before, and they ask people to buy later in next day or the other next week. And it's very funny. I follow these people a lot, and they see how do they behave, how they do these scams. Now, these guys cannot move Facebook or Twitter or big stocks. Now, why? Because you need billions of dollars a day to move $1 or $2 in Facebook, for example. Okay? So it's not easy. That's why people who are like into penny stocks, they can't trade these big stocks because they can't manipulate them. They can't get money from them. Okay? It's not because they don't have money. They have money, but they can't. Now, we go back to our industry rotation. This is the secret. The secret is who is moving the market. In order to move the market, the whole market, there are institutions, mutual funds, pension plans, big banks, big traders, okay, who have colossal money, and they allocate their money each year into some stocks. Now, when they put money in these stocks, it goes to one industry. That's why each year is the same thing. You see that some stocks go up, and you go and you check where they are. Okay? Where they are, which industry. Now, when you go to that industry, you see that there are a lot of stocks going up in that industry. Few are going down. Why? Because the mutual funds and the big guys, they select some companies that they think they are good in their fundamentals. That's why they buy them. And they leave the other they don't like them, okay, or there is a big competition or something. Now, for us, you tell me, for example, a question: how do you know that the money is going to be in that industry and not in the others? For me, how do I know? I use a lot of criteria like resistance line and support line to check almost all the industries that are into sectors in the market. Okay? So when I see that an industry has reached the resistance line, is going through it, and I will see its stocks, because each industry has some stocks. Okay? So I follow them, and I see which are the leaders. The leaders, it means the stocks that are doing the same as industry or better. Okay? So that's why I'm always following these leaders. I don't follow stocks that they go down and go up. No. I'm going stocks that go up and up and up. This is what we call higher and higher and higher. That's why some companies, they go into two phases. Most of the companies. Active and not active, or trending into a range, or going down. Okay? So for me, I'm always trying to see those or these stocks that are active going up. This is where I am always. Okay? And in each 5-6 months, I am into some industries that are going up, and all the stocks are going up. So I choose some and I follow them. Okay? This could be a few days, few weeks, or few months, depending on the stock itself, and depending on the people who buy. Now, because I don't know who is buying, for me, I don't care who is buying, which mutual fund is buying this stock, or which, I don't care. Okay? I can search for it. I can find, for example, you find thousands of mutual funds, and they have their assets of stocks. You can go to any mutual fund by name and go inside, and they give you the stocks that they bought. Okay? Okay? But when they are buying, they will tell no one. Okay? Now, how do I know that this kind of stocks or this industry is going up? It's just by following my way of trading, which is typically based on the price and resistance line and support line and some rules. Because I'm not buying all the stocks that go over the resistance line. If you give me 500, I can buy 2 or 3 or 4 or 5, and all the others are not good because of my selection of stocks. Okay? That's why a lot of people, they ask me about my training, which is 2 hours training, how to find these industries and how to find these stocks. There is another way to do it, is by stock screener. Okay, you go to stock screener, there are some criteria, and then when you find the stocks, and then you should apply our rules, okay, of selection. It means not any stock that goes over, you buy it. Okay, no. Okay, there are a lot of criteria that we choose. This criteria, we try to see what stocks are the leaders. It means what the stocks are runners. It means I like stocks that go 2,000-3,000 a day. Okay? I'm not interested in a stock that goes 10 cents, 20 cents, and they stay 1 month or two for $1 or $2. This makes me tired. I don't want to put my money. I put my money in stocks that are active. Okay? And these are called in the stock market jargon, they are runners or they are the leaders. Okay? And there are a lot of books speaking about that, but no one will give you some information that that you can make money for free. For me, I give you the general idea. Either you search by yourself or you take my training. There are only 2 ways. Okay, you do it by yourself. If you ask other people, other professional trader or your broker, he will never know what does it mean, these leaders or this industry rotation or something, because they are not trading. Okay, understand that your broker is doing webinars for you is just in the sake of education, general education. From his thing, you can never make the money. Okay, why? Because if he can make the money with what he shows you, why he doesn't make money? Okay, why he asks you to risk your money in the market and you give him commission or fees? Okay, so this is, to sum it up, I'm just trying to explain as much as I can, but I can't give you everything. Okay, if I give you everything, this thing costs money. Okay, in order that I reach what I reach right now is 5 years of hard work. before, when I was a beginner, the first year when I lost all my money, I tried everything, okay, and try everything that you can imagine. Maybe something that you have done, or something that you have never done. I have done almost all the mistakes that you can imagine, okay. But later, when I figure out why the stocks go up or go down, that's when I begin to make money, and I begin to have a new vision, because this is the vision I'm giving to you. Now, if you take my vision to the market, you will see the market with a clear vision. It means is if an industry is going up, you just go and check the stocks. You see that few stocks are doing well. They can go like from $20 in 1 week, 2 weeks, it go to $30, $40, $50. These are stocks that I am looking for. I'm not looking for lazy stocks that go 1 cent or 2 cents or 5 cents. I'm not looking for penny stocks because they are manipulated, and we know the people who manipulate them in the market. They are playing, this stock is $1. Oh, he said next week it become $2. Yes, you can manipulate, you can buy, you can ask your friend, he can buy, and you can see, and you say, oh, I am right. No, you are not right. Go to Facebook, go to Twitter, go to big stocks, and do your trading and show. This is the big deal, okay? Because the market, have you ever seen, I'm asking you a question, have you ever seen a floor trader doing penny stocks? No, because floor trading, they have millions of dollars to work each day, so they're not interested in the stock that it is 10 cents or $1 or $2, that it is a ghost stock. No one goes there. You find only scammers, most of the time, scammers and beginners. Scammers who are professional, they take advantage of the beginners who don't know, and they give them a dream. Well, they sell them a dream, and people they follow. Now, for me, in my channel, I'm trying to make professional traders who are responsible for what they do, and with a lot of what we call risk management, money management, and a way to trade and to see the market. Okay, we are not looking at a company that it is good, or CEO is good, or he has a lot of degrees and diploma, or the company is nice, or the company is clean, or the associate or the workers of this company, they are very nice, they do very good customer service, the earnings are good, the competition is good. All this stuff I have never seen, and I will never see, because it will never give the money. I want to know who is buying, okay? Who is buying the stock? That's it, what I want to know. Okay, how do I know? I know by the price. There's only the price, because all these things is hidden. How can a mutual fund, he is buying, for example, a stock? Let's say I'm giving you something. Go, for example, to Costco. Just an example. Costco is just a retail company, which is the symbol is COST, cost, which is Costco. You find that this, like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, the stock has break through the resistance line, and it goes from 131, now it goes to 142. Now, how do I know these stocks? It's just because I follow the price of the companies and industries. This is how do I know. Now, if you ask me the question, how do you know that stock will go up? I don't know that stock will go up. But when it goes through the resistance line, I buy that stock and other kind of stocks, okay? But I buy them from the beginning. You can buy them in the middle, or after 2 months or 6 months or 1 year, because when the trend is visible, you can see the trend, it's over. All the people know it. And then when a lot of people, they come, especially day traders, and they come to these stocks, we have a very volatility in the stock, and it's no more good to continue with this stock. For me, I want stocks that are going up with low volume. I don't want a big volume, because day traders or the floor traders, anything that moves up or down, they know about it because it shows up in their screen. So they hit it either up or down. For me, I'm not playing with these floor traders who try to take as much as they can in one day, either up or down. Like if they go long or they short the stock. Okay? So I'm not following day traders. For me, I'm following the people who move the market. Now, when the people move the market, like mutual funds, they don't announce it in the news. If they announce it, all the people will make money. But you say, well, why they don't announce it? Yes, because they don't want you to make money. They want themselves to make the money. Because when they buy, day by day, little bit, because they can't buy in one day. A mutual fund, he will never buy a stock in one day, because you will see a spike with $20 or $30 a green candlestick. No, he will never do that. He will not show his hand. He will just buy each day. He buys, and you will see the stock goes $1 or $2, $3, $4, $2, $1, and he's buying little bit, and he doesn't want that he will be discovered. Okay? Because all the people will make the money, and he doesn't want everybody to make the money. He wants himself to make the money. But after 1 year or two, when he has too much money, and all the people they come, and then you will go to the news and you say, oh, this, you can see it right now or at any time. Oh, that mutual fund has made 50% last year. Okay, has made 50%. But last year, did he announce that he will buy those stocks? No, he would never say to this. That's why it's your responsibility. It is your job to search for this kind of stocks. This is the way I trade. Now, there are only two ways. Either you do it by yourself and you search and you try to do a homework and try to train yourself, or you take my training. Okay? For this, it's only 2 hours. 2 hours. I have industry searching. It means how you search stocks from industry. And the second thing is how to search directly from stock screener, and then you do apply the rules. Okay, so there are only two ways to do this, and people are looking a lot for how to search for these stocks. Okay, so this is the ways I know, the ways I trade with, and the ways I make money. Okay, I don't know other ways. Okay, some people discover other ways. Okay, it's good for them. But what's good for me, it might be good for some people, and some are not. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This video, I'm just trying to give more details about these industries, about how they fluctuate. Each year you see some industries going up. The other year you see that those that are up, they go down, and on some that go down, they will go up, and they make new highs. Okay, for me it's always new highs. Stocks that are make new highs, they are going up and up and up and up, and this is how the people, either investors or swing traders, are making their money. It means this time, this momentum, it means momentum, it means there is one day, for me for example, there is one day I should buy that stock in the first day. I'm not buying, most of the time I don't buy stocks when they go long, like when they go for the trend for 5 months, 6 months, 1 year or two, and then they go at the end. Okay, it's too late. So either you come at the beginning, or at least when there is a small correction, you wait, and then when it passes again the resistance line, you buy it again. Okay, this is a way I do business, and this is how I teach new traders how to focus on the price only. Okay, no more companies, no more indicators, no more moving average. It becomes so simple just to look for something, buy them, wait. If it goes up, you make the money. If it goes down, you exit very quick. That's it. How do I trade? Okay? So thank you very much. If you have any question, as usual, comment here, thumb it up, send me a private message, subscribe if you don't, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.